Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So in this video, we are going to see how to create this basic simple sketch in SolidWorks. So for that, let me enter into here Sketcher by using here new part. Let's say OK. Then after entering into part, we need to enter into 2D Sketcher. For that, let me create one sketch on front plane. So just I'll click on front plane, and as you can see here, we are having here sketch option. Just I'll enter into sketch on front plane. Now, before creating this sketcher, let me create this reference lines by using here line. So we need to create one horizontal line for construction infinite length with reference to this origin point. Let's say OK. Same like that, I need one more vertical line with reference to this origin. Let's say OK. Just for reference, we'll create one horizontal axis and vertical axis. Now, to create this particular sketch, I am considering this point as origin point. So with reference to this origin point, we are having here two circles, one with diameter of 40 and one more with diameter of 60. Let me create two circles here. Exactly on this origin point, we need here two circles. Dimension for this inner one, we are having diameter of 40. Then for outer one, we are having diameter of 60. Let me give dimensions here like this. Then as you can see here, we are having here symmetric object. So symmetric object is nothing but whatever the shape we will be having on one side with reference to horizontal or vertical axis, same shape if we are having opposite side also, this type of objects we call it as symmetric objects. Now as you can see, same this entire shape we are having on opposite side also. So in these conditions, we can create only this off section. Entire thing we can make it here mirror. Now first I have created these two circles. Now let me create this again two circles with the same dimensions here. So instead of drawing again circles and giving dimensions, directly we can use here copy entitles. Entitles to copy is these two circles. Then from and to option I am using with reference to the center point, I need to create two circles somewhere here. Now, by using copy entitles, we are able to create these duplicate profiles, but dimensions will be not applied for these profiles. So let me go here with add relation. I need to add relation between inside circle to inside circle. We need here equal dimension. Then clear selection. Outer circle to outer circle. Again, we'll make it here equal. Let's say OK. Then this point will be moving with reference to horizontal and vertical axis, as we have not specified any dimensional or geometrical constraints between origin point to this particular center point. Now, if we check here, from this center point to origin point, vertically we are having height of 98. Let me go for smart dimension. Dimension from this point to this point, vertically we are having dimension of 98. Then horizontally we are having dimension of 70. Let me give dimension from this to this, we are having horizontally 70. Excuse me. Then next to that, again we are having here two circles, one with diameter of 30 and one more with diameter of 50. So just again I'll go for circle. Blindly I'll draw two circles somewhere here like this. By using smart dimension, dimension for inner one we are having diameter of 30, for outer one we are having diameter of 50, like this. Just we'll specify 30 and 50. Same again to make proper position. As you can see, from this center point to this center point, vertically we are having distance of 87. From this to this, vertical dimension we are having 87. Then from the center line to this, total we are having here 100. So if you want, we can specify half dimension 50 here, or later after making mirror we can give total 100. Now I'll keep it like that only. Then one curve we want here, tangent to this outer circle, tangent to this outer circle with radius of 80. Now let me create one 3-point arc from here to here in this direction. So to apply relation, I will go for add relation. Relation between outer circle to curvature, we need tangent. Mouse right click, clear selection. This circle to this circle also we need tangent. Let's say OK. Then dimension for this curvature we are having here radius of 80. Let me give radius of 80 here like this. Then just I will go for trim. I will trim this unwanted elements like this. Then next to that, same here also we are having one more curve tangent to this with radius of 80. Again let me create one 3-point arc like this. Just I will go for add relation between these two tangent. So why I am making here clear selection means instead of saying OK and again going for add relation, directly we can make it here clear selection and we are able to apply continuous relations like this. Again clear selection. Already we have given radius of 80. This curve to this curve will make it here equal. Let's say OK. Then again I'll go for trim. I will trim this unwanted elements. Now entire this shape we need this side. So directly we can go here with mirror entitles. Entitles to mirror are this curvature, these two circles, and this curve mirror about with reference to this center line. Just let me select this and say OK. Then dimension we want from this point to this point we need total length of 100 like this. Then again at end we are having one more curve here with same radius of 80. Now again we'll go for 3-point arc from, if you want we can start exactly from circle to circle like this. Add relation between circle to curve we need here tangent. Clear selection. Circle to curve we need tangent. Clear selection. This curve to this curve will make it here equal relation as we are having here same radius like this. So in this way we can create this simple sketch, and as you can see here our sketch is fully defined. Then our sketcher is properly created in SolidWorks. So in this way we are able to create this particular sketcher in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.